everyone. I am currently in the beautiful city of Washington, D.C., the nation's capital. And we're deciding to see which museum we're going to go to. Smithsonian has so many great museums to go visit. So we're thinking the art museum, but let's see which one we actually get to do. So as always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that way you can stay up to date with all of our amazing videos. There's the wifey. Hey. All right, let's go. All right, so we finally decided, and we're gonna go to the Smithsonian Art Museum. You want to get here early. We just came from Jersey and we just got here, so it took us about 4 hours with traffic. So, and it's very busy since it's President's Day weekend. Very, very packed around here. So many tourists here enjoying the great weather, and I guess taking advantage of the opportunity to be here, especially when you have a day off on Monday. As a teacher, very important for us to enjoy something here. So real purpose while we're down here, we want to check out George Washington's house. So we'll be going to Virginia later today. That's where we'll be staying. But we had to stop here in the nation's capital. It's been a while since I've been here. I think it's been already like 2 years since I visited. So definitely had to come back and check it out. So we're gonna tour all this. Let's see what we find here in DC. All right, so we're right in front of the art museum. So let's go in. We've seen great artwork here. This is basically free. This is kind of like the middle, like the courtyard, where you can take a break from looking at the paintings and all that. So it's really nice. It's basically like artificial. Like you feel like you're outside, but not really. It's like a controlled environment. So you got a couple of trees here. You got this floor that kind of like throws a little bit of water. So it's really nice. We're gonna check out the other side now, the National Gallery. By the way, this is completely free. So you could come check it out here in Washington, D.C. You don't have to pay a dime to see all of this. All right, so we got the Washington Monument right behind me. We got the White House lawn right here. Backyard. I'm about to go get a drone shot so you guys will see. No, I'm kidding. Impossible to do that here. Get shot down. Alright, we are here at the White House. And don't like the president that's here, but this is an amazing place. What do you think? Will be the first Hispanic couple as president?
I don't know. Yeah.
So they're actually protesting right here. I think the initiative is basically to stop funding the war in Ukraine. I think that's why everyone's here. I'm not truly sure, but that's what it sounds like. Obviously, Secret Service is all over the place, making sure that everyone is safe here as you peacefully protest. This is obviously one of your rights as an American citizen to protest. So I'm not part of it. I was just here, we just walked here, and we caught all of this over here, so pretty interesting. Here's the Capitol building. Sun is shining right on it. You know, we were thinking about going there, but probably not. We are pretty exhausted and we're really hungry. So we're gonna go check out this place. This is really pretty. I think that's a hotel slash cafe spot. But yeah, we're pretty tired, we're hungry. So we're gonna go eat. I checked to see what good spots they have here. It's this promising Puerto Rican spot that we're thinking about going to, so let's see if we do get to go. How terribly sad that restaurant looked very promising. But unfortunately, they're not taking walk-ins. We didn't make a reservation because we didn't know what time we were going to stop touring around Washington, D.C. So we're gonna have to check a different place. So you get a bad review from me. No, they're probably great, but you know, it's not their fault, and you know, it's not my fault either. Maybe it is, I don't know. All right, we switched it. Now we're going to La Famosa here in Washington, D.C. Alright, so we just ordered. We ordered carne frita. We ordered 2 bistecs cebollados, virgin pina coladas. What else? I think it was there, right?
Oh no, the carne frita.
Well, yeah, I said that. So we're gonna see how it is, and let's see if we can fit in the dessert after that. So let's see. Is it good?
I have the tostones.
So good.
Yeah. Wow, it's banging.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I can't wait to have mine. Good. All right. My overall impression of the place, 10 out of 10. So, what do you think?
What?
Overall impression?
Oh, it was really good. I mean, from start to finish, the food, the appetizer, the drinks was really good, and the dessert.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. It was really good. The menu was very limited though.
Yes.
I feel like Puerto Rican food, there's a lot more options, but it was great.
I would have gave them 5-star if they had surujitos, but I didn't see nothing in there.
But it was just good. It was great. So forget about that other spot and come to La Famosa. Go to Spring Hill Resort or Suites or Marriott. So Spring Hill Suites, Virginia.
Oh, really fancy schmancy.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Big sofa, you got a desk, TV. Very nice.
Nice.
There you got the sink there. Here is the bathroom, shower, everything that we need for the day.
Nice.
Nice. All right, so good morning to everybody from our very messy room. It was a great stay, great night. We had a good sleep. We just had breakfast. I didn't bring the camera down, unfortunately, but yeah, we had some pretty good breakfast. They had eggs, they had sausage, they had different sauces, they had cheese, they had oatmeal, although watered down oatmeal. Most of you probably like the watered down, but I'm Puerto Rican. I can't drink that baba stuff, okay? I need my good oatmeal made with milk, okay? Nice and creamy with cinnamon and all the oats and everything. Yeah, I can't do the watered down one. Sorry, I can't do it. So if you want to comment below if you like the watered down or if you like the creamy one, well, that's up to you. Anyways, this stay was free.com. It was free. It was free. How was it free? Well, basically, I have my Marriott Bonvoy card from Chase, my credit card, and it makes it absolutely free. When you have the points for it, obviously. I think I spent 20,000 points on this room. So, made it free. Use your points and you get rewarded, right? So, there you go.